Hi, my name is Debbie Hill, Solution Consultant with NetSuite, and welcome to NetSuite's SuiteSuccess pre-recorded demonstrations for wholesale distribution. In this video, I assume the role of a warehouse operations person and focus on the sales order fulfillment process. You will notice that with NetSuite's leading practices, we automate fulfillment beginning with picking ticket printing. We proactively notify the warehouse in real time of orders to be fulfilled. And we have a seamless integration with USPS, UPS, and FedEx. In addition, an automated shipment confirmation email is sent to your customers. Now let's transition into the order fulfillment demonstration within NetSuite. I am logged into NetSuite as a warehouse operations person. Notice my role-based dashboard. Everything you see here is provided out of the box with SuiteSuccess on day one. Again, NetSuite puts a lot of focus on boosting productivity by way of the dashboard. We aim to have a majority of daily activities initiated directly from here. Let's say I've just arrived at my distribution center. As soon as I log into NetSuite, I can see that the system is suggesting tasks I need to accomplish. One in particular sticks out to me. There are multiple orders that need to be fulfilled. Notice I don't need to navigate through a series of menus or reports to figure that out. NetSuite's unified platform enables approved orders to flow seamlessly from the sales team directly to my dashboard and clearly sit in the orders to fulfill queue, ensuring we deliver on time, every time. Sales orders that have inventory allocated aren't falling through the cracks and getting shipped late. My team is on top of it with our proactive reminders. I know we have orders to fulfill, and the first step is to print pick tickets for my team on the floor. No need to dig, I can get there right from my dashboard. I simply select the desired location and choose the desired orders. Just like that, my pick tickets are sent to the printer and previewed here for my convenience. My team has picked the items we need to fulfill our orders, and entering a fulfillment is just as easy as printing a pick ticket. It's right from my dashboard reminder. The out-of-the-box UPS, FedEx, and USPS parcel integrations ensure accurate processing of orders, as well as real-time access to negotiated rates and tracking numbers. I have an entire team in the warehouse. Stan picks the orders, Joe packs the orders, and Melanie handles shipping. I can proceed through fulfillment step by step or fulfill all in one go. NetSuite is flexible enough to work for our warehouse, not the other way around. When I navigate back to the original sales order at any point in time after fulfillment, I can find the tracking number right on the shipping tab. Clicking the live link will bring me to the shipper's website for real-time tracking. No more calling carriers or logging into their websites to receive the latest rates. This saves a lot of time, it increases our accuracy, and ensures profitable margins on each order. Finally, my customers feel more comfortable ordering from us because they are notified when their order is on the way with live tracking information. I'm happy I don't have to send these emails out myself. They're sent from NetSuite to the customer automatically, delivering a superior level of customer service. Even though my job is done, NetSuite is still working behind the scenes, passing information to accounting to complete the order-to-cash cycle. While this concludes fulfillment, accounting and invoicing have already begun.